Hi, it's Amna here from MyEnglishMatters.com. In today's video, I'm going to address a problem that one of our subscribers have highlighted to us via email. Dear My English Matters, my issue is loss of words and sentences when I need to write official letters to my clients. Sometimes making a sentence or getting the appropriate words becomes my biggest problem. I hope you guys can help me with this. P.S. Which one is better, American or British accents? I've watched too many American shows that it feels kind of weird listening to British accents. When it comes to writing formal letters, we recommend you follow these 3 steps. Step number 1, get the flow right and start with a rough draft. As basic as it sounds, a lot of people don't start with a draft and get straight into writing their formal letters. When you start off like this, your train of thought can get lost in figuring out details like words and grammar. This is why it's best to start with a rough draft so that you are able to figure out what your main points are and where they go in the overall content. It's okay if you can't find the correct words yet, leave it blank or use simpler words. You can even use Bahasa Malaysia if you really can't come up with the English word. Just make sure you get the flow right. Step number 2, fill in the blanks. When your rough draft is finished, you can Google search for the appropriate words and sentences to fill in the blanks. You can Google practically anything these days. Start with formal letter to clients if you don't have any ideas on what to search for. And step number 3, get someone to proofread your formal letters. Proofread means to read through for any mistakes, such as typo or anything else that doesn't meet formal letter standards. This proofreader can be a spouse, a friend, or just about anyone who you trust that understands English. Remember, as long as you get your message across and your reader understands your message, it should be fine. P.S. American versus British accents? It's like asking who is better, Ethan Hunt or James Bond. Did you like these tips? Share this video and sign up for more of our tips on MyEnglishMatters.com.